The tools that we use changing this track, 1/2-inch drive ratchet, a 17mm deep socket. You can use a shallow just to undo the cover bolts. 19mm socket. We want to use a deep one to pull the grease valve out, just because a shallow one won't quite reach in there. And I used a 6-inch extension just to get my ratchet out of the track frame a little bit, makes it a little bit easier. The bars that I use, this is just a regular chisel bar. You can buy at any hardware store anywhere. This bar that I used, it's a little bit more of a specialty bar. You can buy this style of bar at a few different tool places. Gear Wrench is a brand that makes it. You can buy them on the Snap-on truck, Matco truck, Mac Tools truck. It's very handy to use in this situation because the handle extends depending on how much room you have beside you, and the end of it pivots wherever I need it to pivot. So this tool makes it a lot easier, but it's not a must-have to do this job. For years I did it without this bar. I only used this bar, and you can definitely make use with the chisel bar. Now, to adjust the tracks, I use a cordless 18-volt snap-on grease gun. You can use any grease gun, a manual grease gun, an air grease gun. It doesn't matter what make or model. As long as it puts grease into the grease valve, it works very well. Any rubber tracks on any excavator, skid steer, any piece of equipment that have rubber tracks of this style where there's no bolts or pins that hold them together, they're non-repairable. If they ripped, they're gouged, torn, or worn out, they are non-repairable.
Head over to FortisTracks.com where you'll find high-quality aftermarket parts for your machine at affordable prices. Browse through different parts at your convenience and get them shipped to your door quickly, all with a warranty backing every product. Save more money by watching videos we've created on how to install them yourself.